And to tell you all about these two new incredible designs, I'd like to invite Phil Schiller up. Phil?
Well, good morning, everyone. I'm really happy to be here because I have the great honor and privilege to introduce these two new iPhone products to you. And the first one is called iPhone 5C. The iPhone 5C is made with all the incredible technology that customers have loved with the iPhone 5. And there's more, too. It has an incredible all-new design, one that's more fun, more colorful than any iPhone we've made yet. A few of you might have seen some shots on the web. You've seen it. And that's cool, because everyone's really excited about this. And so are we. But you haven't really seen it before. Not like this. This is iPhone 5C, and it's really stunning. An incredible new color design. It delivers on color throughout the product, every detail, the volume buttons, the switches. The entire back and sides are made from a single part, and the front is one glass multi-touch surface. As close as you look, you won't see seams or part lines or joins. It's absolutely gorgeous. And when you turn it on for the very first time and iOS 7 runs on the new iPhone 5C, you'll see how incredible they look together. The vibrant icons, the color-matched wallpaper, the way the translucency brings color to the surface, and it creates an entire experience of color. And the experience just doesn't stop with the phone design and the software. The team has created a really cool line of custom cases specifically for the iPhone 5C. They're made of a soft feel silicone rubber, they're microfiber lined, and they've designed areas like around the camera and flash where the color of the iPhone shines through. In fact, as we look down at it, you're going to see these cool circular cutout patterns. So you get this amazing combination of color between the iPhone 5C and its case. And you can combine them in really amazing combinations to create the exact look that you love. It's absolutely beautiful. And when you pick up and hold the iPhone 5C for the first time, you're going to be blown away about the quality of it and how rigid and great it feels in your hand. It's made of a hard-coated polycarbonate material that's ideal for this incredible color. But it's more. Inside, it's built with a new construction method that uses a steel-reinforced structure. It provides incredible rigidity. It also serves a dual purpose as part of the antenna system, so it's really smart. It surrounds a beautiful 4-inch Retina display with integrated touch layers so the colors feel like they're right sitting there on top of the glass. It has a gorgeous range of colors and is awesome for your photos and your videos. Inside, it's powered by an Apple-designed A6 chip that gives great performance and great battery life. In fact, the battery inside the iPhone 5C is slightly larger than the battery was in the iPhone 5 before it. It has the world's most popular camera, the 8-megapixel iSight camera, with its backside illuminated sensor, 5-element lens, hybrid IR filter. It takes great photos. And it uses that new camera app that Craig told you about that has all these great features, as well as these live inline photo filters while you're taking your photos and zoom while you're shooting your video. On the front side, it's got a brand new FaceTime HD camera that's even better in low light scenarios. It's got bigger pixels, better backside illumination. And it works with this new FaceTime audio feature. In iOS 7, you can make calls that are crystal clear using FaceTime. The iPhone 5C supports more network bands than any phone we've made yet. In fact, it supports more LTE bands than any other smartphone in the world. It has download speeds up to 100 megabit per second down, has dual band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.0. It runs iOS 7, and running the apps in iOS 7 on this beautiful color design is just an amazingly great experience. So this is iPhone 5C. It comes in 5 colors: blue, white, pink, yellow, and green. It starts with a large 16 gigabyte configuration at a price of just $99. As you can see, 32 gigabytes for $199 is on a typical US carrier 2-year contract. These gorgeous cases, there are 6 colors to choose from, are just $29 each. We think customers will get more than one and change the look of their iPhone whenever they feel like it. We work really hard to make sure these products are designed in the most environmentally friendly manner. They're arsenic-free display glass, mercury-free displays, BFR-free, PVC-free, yes, and Android-free. This is the iPhone 5C. We have a video to tell our customers a lot more about it.
The iPhone 5C is in many ways the distillation of what people love about the iPhone 5. It's simpler, more essential, yet it's more capable and certainly more colorful. We believe the iPhone is an experience that's defined by hardware and software working harmoniously together. We continue to refine that experience, dramatically blurring the boundaries between the two, making it more powerful, more intuitive, and ultimately more useful. iPhone 5C is beautifully, unapologetically plastic. Multiple parts have been reduced to a single polycarbonate component whose surface is continuous and seamless. I think that designs with a real coherence are the result of developing form, material, and color in unison, each element informing and in many ways defining the other, creating a significant and a meaningful design. Just as with its appearance, we took the same fanatical care with how the iPhone 5C feels in your hand. That sense of quality and integrity that's synonymous with the iPhone. That meant developing the design by creating a whole new structural architecture. It starts with a single piece of polycarbonate, into which we install a steel reinforced frame, creating a bespoke assembly that doubles as an antenna. We then add the rear plate. We then machine holes for the buttons, ensuring perfect alignment. And then the entire assembly goes through multiple finishing processes, including a clear lacquer hardcoat that creates a durable and incredibly glossy surface. This whole process culminates in an extraordinarily rigid structure and a solid, dense feel that you would not expect from a plastic product. From the beginning, we wanted to design cases as colorful and as well-made as the iPhone itself. The soft, matte, microfiber-lined silicone is a very intentional contrast to the glossy, hardcoat finish of the iPhone. The result is a case that extends and complements the product while offering dozens of colorful combinations.
iPhone 5C is built on a foundation of features that people know and love. Like the beautiful 4-inch Retina display, blazing fast performance and console-level graphics from the A6 chip, the 8-megapixel iSight camera, and an impressive battery life. And now, we've added more LTE bands than any other smartphone in the world. And we've given it a new FaceTime HD camera for even better FaceTime calls and self-portraits. Beyond that, it comes with iOS 7, which includes new features like Control Center, AirDrop, and iTunes Radio. Combined with a ton of other great features, iOS 7 creates an experience that's even simpler, more useful, and more enjoyable. iOS 7 is designed to complement the iPhone 5C beautifully. The wallpapers are color-matched to the exterior, and the translucency inherent in iOS 7 carries this color through everything you do. This is just another great example of how we design and engineer our products in concert. It really is the only way that we believe provides the right experience.
I think it's quite remarkable when something feels familiar and yet it's new at the same time. That's the iPhone 5C. It's the vivid realization of hardware and software together in one device.
So that is iPhone 5C, the first of our 2 new phone lines today.